Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the President. My name is Tyler Robey and I am your president. Today we're going to be making some key lime pie. It's pretty simple to make key lime pie. All you need is limes, eggs, condensed milk, you need some graham crackers, you need some butter, you need some brown sugar.
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
Ingredient.
Well, as you can see, I didn't really rise as much, but I think this is a really good metaphor for life. You get what you get, and you don't get upset. When life gives you key limes, you make key lime pie. So now we're gonna let it chill for a couple hours, and then we'll come back to you.
12 seconds later.
Here we are, a couple hours later, with our delicious, very green, very, very tasty smelling key lime pie. I mean, it's really good. That's a pretty solid slice right there. All right, well, we're here with our delicious key lime pie. I mean, it's pretty good. I'm very proud of my key lime pie. I'm gonna give it a solid 8 out of 10. I think it could use some more sugar, but that might just be me. I'll make this whole thing.
Hey, it's Mo from Sound On, and today we're interviewing someone. His name is
Mikey, the dude.
and he's gonna tell us, what he does. So, what do you do, Mikey?
So I am the current DDA assistant for the 11th grade, and also / DDA leadership for the student body / DDA apprenticeship for the DDA teachers.
This guy does everything. So, tell us, what do you do at your job, Mikey?
Okay, so basically at my job, I help the DDA teachers with anything they need. I also help orchestrate upcoming lessons, just give a student-based opinion, and I'm just the overall assistant / life support person.
Oh, this is really impressive, man. This is really impressive. So, since you've been working with a lot of students, what would you say is the most creative DDA student in your grade, possibly?
In my grade?
Yeah.
My boy Tyler Robey. Yeah, Tyler Robey, man, he's just a jack of all trades, all around good person, very creative, very artistic, and just holds himself very well.
And what would you say would be the hardest part of your job?
The hardest part of my job is probably leaving so soon, not having extra work hours, and it's really the hardest part. I love my job, man.
They paying you?
Yes.
Oh, they are. Oh, I was about to say they better be paying him because he's basically doing everything. Yeah.
The money is not, yes.
Well, let's make sure you get paid.
Of course. Yes, I am getting paid.
All right.
I just love my job.
That's important. Hey, Miss Palumbo, you just give him a raise. Damn. Come on. So, yeah, man. Is there any advice you would like to give to any artists, in DDA? Yeah, any upcoming artists, since you're the manager and stuff.
Yeah. So any advice I would like to give is, if you're ever feeling underconfident, or you're ever having doubts, you don't think a certain skill or a certain thing is for you, just strive towards it. Always be confident and never give up. Giving up, I feel like if you give up, then what's the point of even trying? You know what I'm saying? With hard work, you can achieve anything.
I like this guy. Damn, bro. All right. Thank you for coming up here, man. Appreciate this interview.
I appreciate you guys.
All right, man.
Do you have a sponge? Sponge.